Welcome back. We are joining Dave with the latest information on Hurricane Milton. Dave, what are you tracking?
Yeah, so we have Milton, and we also have this area of low pressure that is really enhancing these rain showers and storms that will continue overnight tonight and tomorrow. Weather alert for flooding downpours tonight and tomorrow. Weather alert Wednesday for the impacts from Milton here. We'll start off with our next weather radar network because we could see additional flooding concerns here overnight to tonight here, actually over the next few hours. Waves of heavy rain continuing to lift back through the area here, going on top of areas that have already seen 4 or 5 inches of rain here. That's the concern around Cutler Bay. Had a flash flood warning earlier. Now additional heavy rain will continue to go through the area here. Lifting to the north, had another area of rain pushing up into Broward County. That's crossing over 595 now, so right around Fort Lauderdale, lifting north to Pompano Beach and eventually up into Palm Beach County here. This activity continues here over the next few hours. In fact, our next weather radar network plus the next weather rain tracker pretty much showing the same thing. We'll go each hour here over the next few hours. We'll see these areas of rain working through the area. Might get a little break here and there, but here's another band of heavy rain working up through the Keys here and pushing into the East Coast metro areas. This is what you'll be waking up to tomorrow morning. The clock, 6 o'clock in the morning. I think the concern tomorrow will be a band of very heavy rain that continues to go over the same area. That's as that area of low pressure moves by the area just to the north and pushes off the coast here. So this could put a lot of rain down, additional 2 to 4 inches of rain, maybe even locally higher amounts throughout the afternoon tomorrow. It does start to break up just a bit by about 9 to 10 o'clock. Now, on top of what we've already seen, this is the actual one-day total going through tomorrow. Additional 2 to 4 inches of rain, especially across portions of the Keys and areas in Miami-Dade and going right up the East Coast there into Broward County. 77 degrees right now. The clouds will be around. Temperatures will be hovering right about there here overnight tonight and again tomorrow morning. Now we'll look at Milton. The latest information coming in at 5 o'clock does include a new track, still showing the same thing moving to the east, but now from a Category 3 to Category 4 by Tuesday afternoon, approaching the Gulf Coast as it makes that northeast turn by Wednesday. We're watching for that closely here because that lifts it to the north here. We're on the southern edge of this forecast track, goes through portions of Broward County. Wednesday to Thursday, crossing over the Florida Peninsula. There it is, post-tropical Thursday and Friday here. So the forecast tracks do show it making that turn. Then there's a little change in speed, but overall everything seems to lift to the north here and cross over the Florida Peninsula there just to our north. As far as the impacts that we'll see, well, we get rid of that heavy rain tomorrow, and it moves through the area tomorrow. Then Tuesday, we're kind of between systems here, so maybe just a few showers pushing through the area here. Then the bands of heavy rain coming in as Milton turns to the northeast and approaches the Gulf Coast. Not much in the way of wind on Tuesday, but we'll see it really start to pick up Wednesday. Overnight Tuesday to Wednesday, these are tropical storm force wind gusts. They'll be increasing here throughout the midday Wednesday. Still pretty strong Wednesday afternoon and evening, but beginning to taper off by Thursday morning. Still a bit breezy, but overall we'll see some improvement throughout the day there on Thursday. 2 other areas in the Atlantic name system staying there, and 1 other area to watch there off in the East Atlantic. There's your showers and storms really starting to increase there by mid to early afternoon. Tomorrow we'll have the highest rain chances with temperatures right about 80 degrees as that rain's coming down. Next weather 7-day forecast. Now we dropped the alert for Tuesday because we're between the heavy rain Monday and Milton impacts on Wednesday. Still watching for new information to come in. We'll have updated tracks, but overall, improving weather. Just a bit breezy Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend.